Imagine surviving 438 days in the relentless Pacific Ocean. This is Jose Salvador Alvarenga. In 2012, he embarked on a 2-day fishing trip, but a storm turned his world upside down. Their boat was shattered, their supplies vanished, and they were left adrift. For over a year, Jose battled hunger, thirst, and solitude. He caught fish and birds with his bare hands, collected rainwater, and clung to hope. Jose drifted over 6,700 miles, enduring the weather and torment within. Tragically, his partner did not survive, but Jose reached the Marshall Islands. Remember Jose's story.